Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to use the Gamma AI app on your mobile device. First, you'll want to download the Gamma AI application from your phone's App Store, whether it's the Apple App Store or Google Play. Once installed, simply open the app and either sign in with an existing account or create a new one. It's a quick and easy process, getting you ready to create stunning presentations in just a few moments. Now that you're logged in, let's create your very first presentation. Look for the New Deck or Create button, usually prominent on the home screen. You can then select from a variety of pre-designed templates to give you a head start, or opt for a blank canvas if you prefer. Next, simply type in your presentation topic or main ideas and let Gamma AI work its magic, generating initial content for you. Once Gamma AI generates your initial draft, it's time to customize and refine it. You can easily edit text, add compelling images, or even embed videos directly from your mobile device. The app also offers helpful AI suggestions to enrich your content and ensure clarity. Feel free to experiment with different themes, fonts, and color palettes to perfectly align with your personal or professional style. Finally, after all your hard work, it's time to share your amazing Gamma AI presentation. You can easily share a direct link with colleagues or clients, allowing for seamless collaboration. For offline viewing or broader distribution, export your deck in popular formats like PDF or even PowerPoint. And for those on-the-go moments, you can present your entire creation directly from your mobile device with confidence.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.